Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I've got 10 smart, powerful tricks for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that will seriously enhance your experience. So from immersive wallpaper and notification effects to backtap shortcuts and one-hand ease. So these features will make your phone feel smoother, faster, and smarter. So if you're ready to unlock your Galaxy's hidden potential, hit that like button and let's jump right in. Feature number one is your YouTube background play. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can play YouTube videos in the background while using other apps or with the screen off. So let me show you how to do this. So here you want to go ahead and first open up the internet browser. On your internet browser, you want to go ahead and tap on the three lines at the bottom right, then tap on settings. Now here you want to go ahead and scroll down and find useful feature. From here, you want to find background play. So here you need to make sure it is turned on. So this will keep playing the video sound after you leave a tab or the Samsung internet. Now once that's done, go back, go to your YouTube video, go ahead and play a video. So for example, this one here. So when you play a video, you'll see these two icons here. You want to go ahead and concentrate on this arrow icon, which is diagonal and facing. There's arrows on both sides, both ends. Go ahead and tap on this. This will make your video into full screen. Now you want to go ahead and press the home button. So once you do this, the video is still being played, however it's playing in the background. As you can see, sound is being played as well. I'll just increase the volume. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on it. Now if you want this being played while your phone is locked, just go ahead and lock your phone. And now when I increase the volume here, so video is being played in the background while your phone is locked. Now you can continue to browse other apps while that video is being played in the background. So this is great for multitasking. You can listen to podcasts, music, or long videos while browsing or texting. It's also a battery saver as it keeps your audio playing without the need to keep the screen on. So this is great for when you're in the gym or when you're cooking or when you're doing something else. Another benefit of this is you don't need YouTube Premium now. Feature number two is creating deep effect wallpapers. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can use Samsung's AI to apply a layer depth effect on your wallpapers. So it's making certain elements float above the background for a 3D lock screen effect. So let me show you how to do this. So in order to do this, you need to first go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store. From the Galaxy Store, we need to go ahead and download an app called Good Lock. Go ahead and download this app. Once downloaded, go ahead and open it. Now from the Good Lock app, you'll need to install a module called Lockstar, which is right here. Go ahead and install this module. So this will allow you to add app widgets, favorite apps, and all these on your lock screen. Now once that's done, press home, go to your gallery, go ahead and open up a image where you want to create the depth effect. So for example, this one here, I'll go ahead and long press on it. So I just want to extract the image from the background. Next, I'll go ahead and tap on the three dots and I'll tap on save as an image. So now this will save as an image and it'll basically save it as a PNG and we'll make this transparent. Now once that's done, I want to go ahead and long press on my home screen, tap on wallpaper and style, then go ahead and tap on the lock screen. Next, I'll go ahead and tap on Lockstar. Next, I'll go ahead and tap on app widgets and we'll go ahead and find the gallery widget. Go ahead and tap on this first one, add that widget. Now we'll go ahead and drag this in the center and we'll go ahead and tap on the widget settings. So here we want to go ahead and display this image. Done. Tap it in again because sometimes it doesn't just set it. So you need to do that again. As you can see, it's now done. Here you want to go ahead and make sure it's selected as center and fill widget. Then press save. Now you want to go ahead and increase the size. Go ahead and increase this. Now you can go ahead and increase the size of this. So as you can see, this is creating a depth effect. So you have your clock at the back and you have your image in the front. So it gives a aesthetic appeal to your lock screen. It gives your lock screen a modern and a dynamic visual experience. And also it adds depth and uniqueness to your wallpapers. So once you're happy, you can go ahead and press done. Now press home. And now when you look at your lock screen, this is how it looks like. Feature number 3 is to create a collage. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can quickly combine multiple photos in a single collage using the Samsung built-in Gallery app. So let me show you how to do this. So here you need to go ahead and first open up Gallery. And let's just say we want a collage of all of these images. So for example, this one here, this one, and this one. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on Create, and then we'll go ahead and tap on Create Collage. So now here you can go ahead and choose your collage style. You can choose a 4x4, all these different styles. You can go ahead and choose the color. You can even choose if you want round edges and how thick. Go ahead and choose your styles of collages. So 9:16 ratio, 3:4 ratio. This first icon is just random placements. You can even move them around. You can zoom in. And once you're happy, you can go ahead and tap on Save. And this will basically create a collage for you. So this is a collage which is created for you. So this is great for memory keeping. It's great for sharing event highlights or mood boards in one image. So no third-party app is needed. Simple, fast, and intuitive. Feature number 4 is your touchscreen indicators. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, if you want to show a visual dot or ripple wherever you touch the screen, then let me show you how to do this. So this is useful for tutorials or visual feedbacks. So here you need to go ahead and first open up the quick panel menu, tap on Settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down all the way until you see About Phone. Now here scroll down again and find Software Information. Now you want to find Build Number and you want to go ahead and tap multiple times on that. So this will basically tell you that you are certain steps away from a developer mode. Go ahead and enter in your PIN. Now you have allowed development settings, so press OK. And now developer mode has been enabled. Go back. Now at the bottom here, you'll see developer option. So this is a new menu which has just appeared. Tap on this. Now from here, you want to turn this feature on. And then you want to go ahead and scroll down and find the setting to show touch indicator. So just go ahead and scroll down. And in the input section, it says show taps. So this will show visual feedback for taps. Go ahead and turn this feature on. Now when you press home, and wherever you tap, you'll see a round circle appear. So this will basically show you your taps on the screen. So this is great for screen recording helping. So it's ideal for creating how-to videos and guides. And then also it's great for accessibility. So it helps a user who needs visual confirmation of the touches they make on their phone. Feature number 5 is your AI Select Wallpaper. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you have this AI Select tool where you can basically select an image and make it as a wallpaper. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll be using TikTok. So open up TikTok and we'll go ahead and search for wallpapers. So let's just say sunny beach wallpaper. So say for example, you like one of these wallpapers, this one here. Now if you like this, you want to go ahead and first long press on it, then tap on clear mode. So you want to clear all the overlay. Next, you want to go ahead and bring out the edge panel. From here, select AI Select, and this will basically select your screen. Now you want to go ahead and tap on the 3 dots and then tap on Set as Wallpaper. So this will now set a wallpaper for your lock screen and your home screen. So let's go ahead and choose both and then press Next. Let me just go ahead and delete this image. Now this is the wallpaper which you have selected. You can go ahead and press Done. Go ahead and choose if you want the color palettes. I'll skip it for now. And I'll go press Home. So now that wallpaper has been set on my Samsung S25 Ultra with AI Select. So with this AI Select, you have creative control. You can design fun, unique wallpapers using personal images. No Photoshop is needed. AI does the hard work of cutting out the background and setting it as a wallpaper for you on your Samsung S25 Ultra. Feature number 6 is your on-screen animation for notifications. So when a notification arrives on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can get this animated effect, which basically shows you from where the message is coming from. So say for example, if it's WhatsApp, you'll see WhatsApp animation. If it's Facebook, you'll see Facebook animation. So let me show you how to do this. So for this, you'll need Galaxy Store. Go to your Galaxy Store. Here, you need to go ahead and download this app called Good Lock. Once downloaded, go ahead and open it. Now in the Good Lock application, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and find the Edge Lighting Plus module, which is right here. Tap on this. Now you're going to go ahead and turn this feature on, and then you're going to go ahead and tap on Custom Style. Go ahead and turn this feature on. Now scroll down, and where it says Show App Icon instead of Custom Style Image, you want to turn this feature on as well. So now when someone messages you like this, you'll see the app animation on screen. So as you can see, this is a message from WhatsApp. So if you have messages from other apps, you'll see other app icons. Now if you go back to that Good Lock Edge Lighting Plus module, you can go ahead and tap on Set Custom Style, and you can choose all the different animations. So you can have the animations come from the bottom to the top. You can have star lightings. You can have hearts falling down. You can have the popcorn effect. You can have snow effect, the raindrops. You can have this, and you have the cloud, and you have the star. So you can go ahead and choose whatever animations you want, press done, and then go ahead and test it out. So this is great as you have visual notification, it's eye-catching alerts for messages without sound, and you can customize the style, so you can choose your own color, your own style of animation. You can even go ahead and change the animation. So if you don't want the animation from the app, you can go ahead and choose your custom image from here. Feature number 7 is your one-hand operation swipe. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can customize swipe gestures from the side of your screen to trigger actions like back, home, notification, or AI select. So here's an example. If I swipe from this edge of the screen to the center, AI select will turn on. So as an example here, as you can see, this is a one-handed operation. So I can go ahead and choose, using my left hand, I can go and swipe this way like that, and let me enable AI select. So let me show you how you can customize these swipe gestures on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So for this, you need to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store. In the Galaxy Store, you need to go ahead and open up the Good Lock application. Go ahead and install this app and then open it. Now in the app itself, you need to go ahead and find One Hand Operation Plus, which is right here. Tap on this. Now turn this feature on, and now you can go ahead and choose if you want to use the left handle or the right handle. So since I hold my hand in my left hand most of the time, I like to use my left handle so my thumb can reach. I'll go ahead and select that left handle. So here I can go ahead and set all of these. So if I swipe straight right, this way, AI select will turn on. If I swipe diagonal up, screenshot, and if I swipe diagonal down, it'll go back. So you can go ahead and tap on it and set all these on your One Hand Operation Plus menu. Once you're happy, tap home. Now if I swipe diagonal, it's taken a screenshot for me. Now if I swipe diagonal down, it'll go back. And if I swipe right, it'll start up AI select. So the benefit of this is that you have one-handed convenience, easily access major functions without stretching your fingers. You have custom shortcuts, so you can assign swipe directions to tools or apps you use the most. Feature number 8 is where you can have the navigation bar to disappear. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can combine One Hand Operation Plus with gesture controls to completely hide the navigation bar and replace it with a swipe gesture. So here, we need to go ahead and first open up the Galaxy Store. Search for Good Lock and download that app. Once downloaded, go ahead and open it. Now in the app itself, you need to go ahead and find an app called One Hand Operation Plus. Tap on this, turn this feature on, and now, depending on what hand you use your phone, go ahead and select your handle. So I use my phone in my left hand mostly, so I'll go ahead and select left hand. Now if I go ahead and swipe right, tap on this, And here I want to go ahead and scroll down and find Show Hide Navigation Bar. So go ahead and select that. So now when I swipe right, it'll show or it will hide the navigation bar. So now I can go press home. Currently the navigation bar is seen. So if I swipe right, it'll basically hide it. As you can see, it's hidden it. If I swipe again, it'll bring it back. So like this, I can go ahead and hide it, show it, and so on. If it's hidden, it'll then use gesture control. So your swipe gestures. So with this, you have full screen experience, and so it gives you more screen real estate for apps and media at the bottom here. And it gives a more cleaner look as well. So it makes your UI more minimal and modern as well. Feature number 9 is you can turn on the quick launcher. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can activate a mini launcher that pops up with your favorite apps, tools, or functions on a swipe or a shortcut. So let me show you how to do this. So for this, you need to go ahead and first open up the Galaxy Store, search for Galaxy Store, open it. Now within that app, you need to go ahead and find the Good Lock app. Go ahead and download this app and then install it, then open it. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and find the One Hand Operation Plus, which is right here. Tap on this, turn this feature on, and now choose if you want to use your left handle or right handle. So I'll go ahead and use the right handle, turn it on. Now, if I swipe straight left, this will turn on the quick launcher. So to set the quick launcher, go ahead and tap on straight left. You want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and find this quick launcher. Go ahead and tap on settings. And now here you can go ahead and choose what you want to show in your quick launcher. So you can have show recent apps. You can have how many pages, number of page columns. So I'll just leave it as it is right now, default, press home. Now to activate the quick launcher, go ahead and swipe from this edge here. This will open up the quick launcher like this. I can go ahead and use all the recent apps from here. If I want to change the settings in this, I can go ahead and tap on settings, and I can go ahead and choose more apps to add, or I can choose apps. I can choose functions as well. So the benefit of this is that you speed up access, so you open apps or toggles features faster than browsing menus. So it's fully customizable, so you can choose your own layout, style, and shortcut combinations. Feature number 10 is your back tab to open up any app. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can double or triple tap the back of your phone to launch any apps or function using Good Lock's Registar module. So let me show you how to turn this feature on. So for this, you need to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store, search for Galaxy Store. Now in Galaxy Store, you want to go ahead and download an app called Good Lock. Go ahead and download this app, then open it. Now in the app itself, you need to go ahead and download the Registar module, which is right here. Looks like that. Open it once installed. Now here, you want to go ahead and find back tap action. Tap on this and turn this feature on. Now here, you want to go ahead and select double tap or triple tap. So you can set both of them together. So let's go ahead and tap double tap, and we'll go ahead and set it to open an app. So say for example, I use TikTok quite regularly. So I'll go ahead and set it to open up TikTok. So this will basically allow me to open the app, start recording, or look at the notifications. So I want to go ahead and open it. Now I can go ahead and press home. Now when I double tap at the back here, and there you go. So this is a hidden shortcut. It triggers an app silently, quickly, even with the screen off. So it's hands-free feeling, perfect for activating flashlights, camera, or voice assistant on the go. And that's a wrap on 10 killer features you can unlock on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other Samsung users. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.